What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. So as you guys already know, MIUI 12.5 is just released, and in my previous video I told you that this is not going to release for Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8 Pro. But if you don't know, we have a porter available and I have ported this build for Redmi Note 8 users. I'm not going to show you the ported build right now because I need to fix some things, so I'll try to provide you the link as soon as possible. But we're going to take a look at the first look of this latest MIUI 12.5 20.12.25 version, which right now installed on my Redmi Note 8, how this ROM is going on and which are the how the look and the things which you get in this latest MIUI 12.5 version. I'm going to show you a lot of things. Stay tuned, and now let's get started. Guys, this is the first look which right now I've installed on my Redmi Note 8, and as I previously told you, it's not actually official one for this device, but I'm just gonna share with you the look about this MIUI 12.5 build. First of all, the default look is just kind of this one. I'm gonna share with you the screenshots also after some time. First of all, let me show you the things which you get here. This one is a MIUI 12.5 20.12.25 beta version, which I have installed on my Redmi Note 8, and it is available based on Android 11 for some devices, but right now we have Android version 10, and this one is a security patch 1st of January 2021, which seems to be really nice here. So we have some UI changes which I'm gonna share with you. First of all, SIM cards, mobile networks, and something same kind of things available here and there. Wallpaper and personalization, a new section available where you can personalize a lot of things. First of all, this one, and icons, and we have the fonts customization options available, which is something really unique here. We can customize the boldness from here, we can customize the size from here. This one is other thing, this is directly the theme store. This one is the normal font, so this seems to be really nice here. Go back, and now we have other things like the wallpaper, which I think, okay, it does not include the super wallpaper because I ported this from lavender, but we have some liquid colors wallpaper. This is just my first look, even I have not checked out the things which you get here, just installed, and I thought I should share with you. Liquid colors, I'm gonna share with you a whole and full review very soon, maybe in other video very soon, maybe in just 10 or 12 hours if possible, by installing this build on my Redmi Note 8 fully. Dynamic nebula and minimalistic geometry, and some these wallpapers looks to be really nice here. These are not super wallpaper actually, but super wallpapers are available too, which are not available for this device by the way, but these are available. You can apply these wallpapers. New wallpapers we can see here. These are the very interesting wallpapers which you get here. These are some, maybe some online wallpapers, but I'm not sure. This is a library which you get here. This is the online wallpapers. So this is something new UI. You can use the local photos also if you want to. Just go back, and now we have the theme section, ringtones, notification, and alarms. So this is really new UI here. You can see here ringtones, you can customize almost same kind of things like the previous one, but it's just changed to wallpaper and personalization, which was available in apps, which was available in sound and vibration. So we have the notification customization, and this has also new look, the rainforest, savanna, and birds and fireflies, droplets. Very interesting UI right now. I was not expecting this much change in this MIUI 12.5 update. I was expecting some a little bit of minor changes, but these are available. Always on display, of course it's not available, and it is not recommended for this device, of course. Going for the display settings, what we have in display, the new light mode and dark mode options, which some features you already might know about, like in these kind of custom ROMs nowadays, like MIUI Pro ROM, and we have other MIUI based custom ROMs available which already include these kind of features, but officially this is something really nice. Light mode, dark mode, this is actually based on China beta just released today. This is not official stock, this is not actually official stable, this is a beta ROM. We have the font settings customizations which are available in the wallpaper and personalization section. Going for the brightness level, automatic brightness and sunlight mode option is available when device is in VR, full screen mode, etc. Same here. Sound and vibration includes this option. The ringtone was there and notification was there, maybe if I'm not wrong, and now notification is here and ringtone is here. So something is changed here too. Vibrate for calls, vibrate in silent mode, profile video. Going for the additional settings, there is no action, no extra things are available. Even the sound effect seems to be same if I'm not wrong. Yes, almost same. Let me see if we have other things. Almost same here, no extra things are available. Going for the notifications and control center, we have the app notification shade option where you can choose the MIUI or Android style notifications. Now we have the notification effect option, which seems to be working or not working, I don't know, it's just first build. Control center style, you can enable or disable the control center. This is the control center, which has this gray kind of bug again. Not sure if it is just in my case or in, actually it's not officially in MIUI 12.5. This is just a first look because I've installed on my Redmi Note 8 as a port ROM. All these things seems to be same here, and this one is Android version 10 base, not Android version 11. Now we have the home screen customization, which includes the home screen, app board, home screen search bar, system navigation, includes the gestures. And if you're looking for the pill and those Android 10 gestures, this is Redmi Note 8 and officially it's not available for Redmi Note 8 users. If you want them, I'll provide you the port ROM very soon. Make sure to subscribe my Telegram updates channel so you'll get an idea there, and I'll provide you the link and all those things very soon. Maybe in just a couple of hours or maybe in 10 to 12 hours I will do as soon as possible. Password and security, as soon as same kind of things are available. Just don't look at the features which are device specific like the face lock and other things, because this is a ported ROM. Just look for the things which you were looking in MIUI 12.5. Privacy protection seems to be same here. This one is the new one, awareness and protection. And also if you go for the battery one, new battery manager, which is not available in the normal MIUI 12 stock, Android stock MIUI 12, which was available for all the devices. This one is MIUI 12.5 beta version. Apps, and we have additional settings, date and time, languages and input. And also it's a China beta, so yes, a lot of Chinese bloatware options are available. Screen time, I think it's same here. Yes, no extra changes because this is just a MIUI 12's upgraded version. This is not actually MIUI 13, so no whole full MIUI changes available here. Accounts and sync and all these things are same here in this. This logo seems to be really nice here, and also this one is also looking really great. Now let's take a look at some little bit of other things which I should show you. This is the AI, which is of course accepted in this. And talking about the file manager, I don't think so it's changed here. Now we have this option available. Maybe this is the download. Yes, this is the downloads option which is available in this file manager, which was not available by default. If you're looking for the full proper features in MIUI 12.5, as I already told you, I'm gonna make a video full review of this MIUI 12.5 very soon. Stay tuned. Right now I've just installed it, so I thought it's just released freshly, I should share the first look, so that's why I was sharing this one. But no extra things, nothing else to talk about. Let me show you the screenshots which we have. Guys, these are some screenshots which I got while setting up the device. There's a new language kind of choosing kind of options which were not present in the previous builds. Now we have this kind of screen option, set password for this one. We have the MIUI AI. This is the default look. Some screenshots which I have, which you can customize them if you need them. All these things are looking really great here. This UI seems to be really nice. This one, I just liked it so much. All those things I have already shown you. If you haven't tried out this, if you haven't tried out MIUI 12.5, you can try out a GSI right now, and GSI option is great. If you just want to take a look at first time, if you just want to take it a look at a first time, this is all for you. This was all from today's video. I hope you like this first look of MIUI 12.5, which is available on our channel right now. This was all. Thanks for watching and goodbye.